Hey guys, I am super sorry. I've been very busy and I haven't been able to film a video. So why not film a slime video? For this video you'll need contact eye solution or saline solution, glue, Dawn, water, and patience. And also stirring stick. So first you're going to add just a little bit of Dawn into a plastic container, and then add glue. I would just add like a little generous amount, not too much, not too less. And mix, mix, mix. Oh, and you need food coloring. Sorry about the lighting, right? Sorry about the lighting right here. What's up? So, for this, I'm going to be using this lime green. Very careful, because this stuff will get your hands. Sorry if you hear anybody talking in the background, or hear dogs. So I got this green color. Okay. Add water. Just a little bit. Mix this all very well. Don't do it fast or it'll foam up and your slime will be ruined. So do it at this pace, I would say. And then add little bits of your saline solution at a time. As you can already see, it is starting to become into slime. Once it starts forming into slime, you can stir a little faster. Feel your slime. It's very sticky. Feel it. Add more glue if it's too watery. And if it's not slime, just keep adding a couple different ingredients until it becomes your desired slime. Warning, get a strong stick. Don't use a cheap plastic thing that you get in your hamburgers at Red Robin. And boom, slime. Wait, what? That's not right, slime. Add more stuff. Knead it in your hands for a little bit just to get any extra water out. And boom, you have your desired slime. It has all the slime purposes. Hold on, I'm going to go food dye this a different color. Plenty of paper towels. I'm going to go dye my slime like a blue because I'm not liking this slime. And during the time, I'm going to cut the video so that I can like get it to the right slime. So I did that little thing in Movie Magic. Get it if you don't have it. It's a very nice. And I needed this in my hands quite a bit. And I made it a nice blue color. Very stretchy. Whoa. I added that so it looked like I just had my finger on it the whole time. So the transition I did. I held my finger on there. Then I edited it so it looked like I just kept it on there like that. And it's very stretchy. It's a very cool slime. So I would really recommend making this slime. Whoa! And the little container I chose to use for it is this container. Put it in a plastic container. Pack it up. Put it away. Other slimes I made is this texture slime. It's got melting beads in it, so it feels cool. This is made with a different recipe.
Liz?
See ya! Woo!